Bwigiro bwakwa ntuku yaku ya Jumamosi nitite na mbere bwega ni ngukugwata ugeni kiri Nteto chietu cha Weru Thaa Mugwanja narua iri tariki 13 mweri ni jwa kenda mwaka ni jwa 2025 rietwa ni MAUREEN Kinya. Tukiambiria Nteto chietu akariba mwe kuma ntere chia kathathene wodine ya Igembe East ni bethirite bagitariria kimako kiao kumania na bure andagata ntereji ekwithirwa egia kwa bakiuga nande ere akwa na kiwango kia ntheburu onto burabu gutuma mwanka kinyangare itumba gwitira ndagateneu. Nicholas Chabare ni agutwambiria chio.
Ndarasa ekirwa barakarabati kare akwana ikabwithirwa modification ni modification yutene nyaisuma ya ekirwa kukuneti wa ya Messi na kukuneti ira cia kaira nguku ni awikira na ngori egilire ao
imuthurora wina kari ibantura ya kathathene gwandi ya Igembe East barabakuga ati ibarirwo indaga chabajite gwikirwa ntere ino no ende mwanka thaino bareona ikaravati iyekiritwe na karavati ino nacio cikiritwe karavati inkoro na imwe cia chisku yangite
cionthe ciethere yoro sisuli age agoya maiya onda yekira gukatambarare ndarasa ya sulwo boya tugetha tobui na wange na guo inkona ndarasa hii nyakarabati imoni kwete alafu karabati ikwete inyote ngariomba kweyero
rolele tukona utendarasa ebwithitu ago na mwanya yo ndarasa na karabati itokwenda kuona value embesa ira itenga iro ndarasa itokuiwa ndarasa yomba kwethira tumirite saiti ya milioni 5 lakini tuolele titukoria milioni 5 imbibirite uteka suma gakuonekana gatumirite au ote yani kinyambi sume yani kintu kira gitumigite age nene nyamu sumari uteyuo iwaya Messi tumigite ugia kwithira kora mwire kuria ndarasa ya kathathene wa mitaika mutanosia wa mitaika no te mitaika wea koe kareta ndarasa ire bati kwithira iyo
mabubaya ya miaka mwanja anto barona ngiro njara baya kamata obuta bora buta na baba ombero yeka ye kiro ya yekiri na yonde na kirak kuno seda na maisha yanto
ndarasa kinyango ko itekelogera ko nona kana muntu kinyango ko akelogera ku ndarasa teyo mote ono ntnya mabubaya ndarasa yate kwana na kwenda kura murethi ogethibo ngwirita wo antu bakathathene bateta yari kuritura ngwikario no tiro twakira no tutetegeria antu batiro ngwikario
ogwende ntomo yao kiri MCA wao twe Murethi Muteria
Mheshimiwa Murethi ito koromba brunete yo kenene utwakira ndarasa eboya wala moto akira no nto itokuibwa mbesa nitenga wasiandarasa ito kwenda kumea mbesa ira tengi siandarasa re kethe ndarasa kario tureyete wagiro
antu gavana no mwe MCA no kwa lokotirwa mbesa cia wandi atemeotengura wandi atemeotengura area kathathene ki Igembe East ward so tuteo kwira twekwelenka iyo bwithi ndarasa embeya kana the next move no komea ya tukathithia
kuma kathathene Igembe Central Betan Class Chabare.
Rwangi rogendi ni rukuromba thirikari kwithirwa rukithiria unkumania uria bugwita na mbere ndene ya rwangi rware na ndi baugite bilioni cia mbeca ni kura kumania na unkumania.
We have complained so much to the government for a long time because if there is an industry that loses a lot of money, it is the Mato industry. And therefore, this one now goes to the government. And corruption, fighting corruption, will start from the top. And I have always said, if the government today decides that we are going to have a free corruption country tomorrow, it will just take a few hours and it will happen. So it is true to say that corruption is there in all the industries. It is there in our industry. It is there anywhere. As a company, Super Metro, we are known to be compliant. We are known to adhere to all the traffic rules. And any time that maybe the government, maybe any other organization which want to partner with Super Metro so that we can have safety on our roads, we have always been there. So when the government is coming up with measures to regulate our industry so that our roads can be safe, so that we can have safety on our roads, we will always be there to support the government. Because we care for the safety of our passengers. We care for the comfort of our passengers. So we are always there to support the government. As long as whatever the government is coming up with is to take care of the lives of Kenyans.
Mwini urenkuma kathetune ka mumeru niwe kamano Nteto mwari ugoro bwegoro ne akinyite rwimbo mukawe ne jumwentere cha Nairobi aria ameru baba ingi baretherwe bagichumiria nikenda gukenera ruthiomiru rwa kimeru ruru ni untu bumwe burabwithairo abukireta ameru antu amwe gukurukira mwini ujo kamano Nteto mwari.
Birthday yake na imefika saa hii. Aya. Jackie Muita. Jackie Muita. Happy birthday Jackie. Ale. Ana Jackie ondo. Ruju. Keke. Ana Jackie ondo. Jackie Muga. Niliambiwa kana favorite song yake. Happy birthday to you. Oh. Happy birthday to you. Abakuwe na wanaume. Happy birthday dear Jackie. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 75. How old are you now?
Rais William Ruto ne agwatite ugeni harimu nkuruki yangirie kumigarune ya Rais Nairobi aria akiaria ethiritwe agikungwira munene wa Rais niwe Professor Kithure Kindiki kagitenio kau na ethiritwe agichokeria nkatho arimu banthiguru ya Kenya kumania na ngugi injega iria betite na mbere kwithirwa bakigita akiuga moroto jwawe ne gutigira ne akwandika arimu baba ingi.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for your commitment.
I want to say welcome the teachers of Kenya. And I want to associate myself with the sentiments that have been made by my deputy, that teachers are the greatest patriots and heroes of the Republic of Kenya. Teachers mind about the children of others. They spend sleepless nights thinking about the children of others. And I want to tell you, teachers, on behalf of parents, including myself and the people of Kenya, we are truly grateful for your contribution to the success of our nation.
Eta nambere kurumira Nteto chetu nchokere tunyuma kagita gati kuraja nkuretere Nteto nkuruki.
This is a people's game. They will be bubbling about this one for weeks and months to come.
Ooh, what's it? Iko on. Kila game ina Mato. Reconnect now. Dial *423#.
Keke, kabeja na kamutu yake?
Kenda nje kwitherema nekara nice. Siri ne mutujo nice extra premium.
Mutindi ya na kamusere.
Inyaju tuenaju juambishori kuma nice rice millers mwea.
Mogori wa Kenyan kene eti ya motujwa nice extra premium. Nkima ya motujwa nice extra premium eja nampwe ena mushamujo mudhongi na nikweta gogwe na nje ku nutrients na shio chabatisha nice extra ngano itio mainya shiarara ne imboro na imure mutheri motu tujonge ne nice extra premium.
Mom, Hii ugali ni tamu na ni kweli. Siri ni nice.
Watuika wina kiuria yendekithia kana no kwenda gwikira ode kuringa thimu namba 0729 661 667 kana 0755 200 197.
Ji nice na nice extra premium.
Dial *811 *466# to get Psalms 119 verse 105 as your skiza tune.
Psalms chapter 119 verse 105. Your word is a light for my feet, ever shining on my way. I have made an oath and kept it, to be guided by your upright decisions. I am greatly troubled. O Lord, give me life in keeping your word. Amen.
Dial *811 *466# to get Psalms 119 verse 105 as your skiza tune.
Anno kumenya no utonge gukurukira Times UDT Sacco geria na arua gura shares kenda kuigwatira kanya gaka. Kugura share imwe ni chiringi igana rimwe aki na urendeka kugura kuma shares 10 gwitia. Muchindi wa kiewa gikinene akamukira ngari muthemba jo Probox. Nkuruki kurina biewa bia okiumia biliani amwe na gift hampers, airtime, bikibiki, ngombe chegu kama fridge, solar panels, TV cha inchi 43 na kinya laptops. Omoka na Times UDT Sacco. Gurashias na arua wichindira biewa bibi. Nuntubo Nteto nkuruki turiongere obisine chietu nkubu kanoto andikire email kire info@timesusacco.co.ke kana uringe thimo kiri 0703 770 457. Nkuruki no uriungire ndwanyi chietu ntere chankubu, mitungu, kariene, githongo, makutano, timau, mukodhima na kinyaka dhwana. Omoka na Times UDT Sacco. Times UDT Sacco, your timely financier.
Feel the pure, unfiltered power of football on Star Times.
And he's taken
Football as it's meant to be. That's the Bundesliga experience. Renew your subscription today at only 329 Kenya shillings for Nyota Bouquet on the aerial decoder. Feel the passion, artistry, and strength. La Liga brings you flair and creativity of Spanish football. The rising stars of the Saudi Pro League, the high-stakes energy of the Saudi Super Cup, and the unpredictable thrills of the Carabao Cup. Renew your subscription today at only 549 Kenya shillings for Nova Bouquet on the Dish Decoder. Download the Star Times app to never miss a match, even when you are on the move. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Ngicokera na Nteto nkuruki John Tanui uria niwe PS wa ICT nethiritwe agitariria utungata buria akenya bakwithirwa bakiamukira kuma kiri mutandao jwa eCitizen ni jukuguna bonene haria nkuruki ethiritwe akiuga kinya ugoti ni bwithirite bukiongereka kagite ni ukau nethiritwe akiuga motungata nkabo nezetite na mbere kwithirwa jakiamukirwa kumania na mutandao jwa eCitizen.
eCitizen system is one system that represents actually our daring spirit as Kenya, because this is one of the first systems that Kenya has developed and been able to utilize to the level that we have today. This is a system that is serving about 15 million citizens who have registered on that platform. And when it started at 2022, the system was handling about 60 million daily. Today it has gone to 700 million and sometimes even going beyond. In respect to actual annual collection, from 2022 to that, it has increased 10 times in terms of the amount of money that that platform has been able to collect. And in In terms of services, we are now about 22,000 services which can be accessed on a digital platform, starting with a low figure of 450 at that time. And so, Chair, if we talk about the future of Kenya in terms of using locally developed solutions, eCitizen presents that potential. It's a system that also was piloted for almost 10 years, from 2013 to 2023. That's the first time we have now a formal engagement between government and the developer of that system. And we are working to progress this system to the next level. One of the things is that many agencies have actually reported more than 10 times in terms of revenue because of sealing loopholes and leakages and making all payments visible. Some of the recommendations we've got, and we are working with the National Treasury, eCitizen and Immigration State Department, is to enhance the role of each of the actors. We have National Treasury, we have our ministry who is responsible to support on technology and guidance, and the day-to-day operations under the State Department of Immigration and Citizen Services is to enhance now, what we are working now is to enhance functions at the National Treasury to enhance reconciliation so that the reconciliation are done more timely, and then the beneficiary, the owners of the funds are able to get their funds on time.
Aunio twakinyira muthejo wa nteto chietu cha Weru Thaa Mugwanja hitana mbere na gukenera mibango ndene ya Weru TV. Rietwa ni MAUREEN Kinya.